The top 5 AI hustles for beginners in 2026. If you're trying to make money online but feel stuck, overwhelmed, or like you need a ton of skills, then watch this because people right now with zero experience are making money without coding, without experience, and sometimes without even showing their face. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI hustles that even beginners can do. So, which one is the easiest to start? Which one makes money the fastest? And which one can turn into passive income? Making money online used to require learning complex skills, spending months figuring things out, or investing a lot of money. But AI changed that. Now you can create content faster, offer services without being an expert, and automate work that used to take hours. And that means one thing: beginners can win faster than ever before, but only if you pick the right hustle. So let's get into it. The first AI hustle is AI content creation. This is one of the most popular ways that people are making money right now. You've probably seen it: YouTube channels posting daily, TikTok pages going viral, Instagram accounts growing fast, sometimes without even showing their face. So, y'all, this is how it works. You use the AI tools to generate the video ideas, write the scripts, create thumbnails, and then also you can edit faster with the tools. So instead of doing everything manually, AI is going to help you do it in minutes. So, how you make money with YouTube ad revenue, affiliate links, digital product, and this is why it's beginner friendly. You don't need camera skills, editing experience, or a personal brand. You just need consistency. So, here's the catch: this is not instant money, and it's going to take time to build momentum. But once it works, it can become passive income. The second side hustle is AI freelancing. And this is the fastest way to make money as a beginner. So here's an idea. Instead of learning a skill from scratch, you use AI to help you deliver services. And here are some examples: things like thumbnail design, social media posts, video scripting, things like that. And let's say someone needs YouTube thumbnails. Instead of designing everything manually, you could use AI to generate designs, make small edits, and deliver the final product. So you can find clients on places like Fiverr, Upwork, or just through social media. And it's powerful because businesses need content, and AI just helps you deliver faster. And the best part is you can get paid within days. The third AI hustle is affiliate marketing. And this is where things get interesting because this is where you can build passive income. So, how this works: you promote tools or products and earn a commission when someone signs up. So, where AI comes into this, you're going to use AI to generate content ideas, help you to create videos, improve your thumbnails. So, you create a video reviewing an AI tool, explain how it works, and include your affiliate link. When someone signs up, then you get paid. So, this is why that's powerful. You don't need to own the product, and you can scale it over time, and your income can compound. The fourth hustle for is AI digital products. And this one is one that most beginners overlook, but it's powerful. So you can create something once and sell it over and over again. So AI can help you write content, structure ideas, and speed up the creation. So if you wanted to do an ebook or Notion templates, but once it's created, it can generate passive income. The fifth hustle is AI automation. Now, this one is more advanced, but still beginner friendly if you keep it simple. So, what it is helping businesses automate tasks using AI. So, for example, that could be automating email replies, content scheduling, setting up chatbots. And it's valuable because it's going to save businesses, and time equals money. So if they're willing to pay for it, then you can start earning money that way as well. So now I want you to be thinking, which one should I choose? And here's a simple breakdown. If you need money fast, then freelancing. If you want passive income, affiliate marketing. If you want long term growth, then content creation. If you want scalable products, then digital products. And the biggest mistake you can make is trying to do them all at once. So let's simplify this into a plan. Step one, pick one side hustle. Step two, you're going to choose 1 to 2 AI tools. Step three, you're going to take daily action to create content and promote your offers. Next, you're going to improve as you go and you're not going to overthink it. And most people just won't tell you this, but people will watch videos like this and never take action. And they'll try to wait for a perfect moment. They'll overthink everything. But the people making money with AI right now, they just started. Okay, so even when it wasn't perfect, they just went ahead and did their thing. So if you are serious about making money online with AI, then start simple, pick one method, take action, and just build from there. So if this was helpful, then make sure you like the video, leave a comment on which side hustle that you're interested in. And in the next video, I'm going to break down the best AI tools that I'm using that actually are making money. So you don't want to miss that. And I'll see you in the next video.